Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google Icons or Material Icons library and immediately search for the icon you need. Use concise keywords. Once you find candidates, filter by style and size so you don't waste time. Click an icon to preview it and choose SVG for scalability or PNG for quick use. Make sure to sign in if you want to save collections. This speeds later access. After picking a format, download or copy the code snippet to move into the next phase. You now implement the icon. Either paste the inline SVG into your markup or include the Material Icons font link in the HTML head. Once in place, style icons with CSS, change color, size, vertical align, and margins, create utility classes to reuse across pages. For component frameworks, import the icon component and pass properties for size and area labels. Once done, test responsiveness and pixel alignment at 1x, 2x, and mobile. You finish by optimizing and auditing icons, minify SVG files, remove unnecessary metadata, and consider sprites or inline SVG for performance. Make icons accessible by adding area labels or role attributes, and include descriptive titles so screen readers announce meaning. Once done, validate color contrast for visibility. If rendering issues occur, test across browsers. As a troubleshooting step, fall back to PNG or the font-based icon. If an icon still looks wrong, clear cap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.